What is up, everybody? Very happy to be back today. Can't wait to show you what I have around my neck. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. First of all, I want to say thank you guys for being patient. I have been working very hard on my other channel, so I haven't been here on this channel. But I'm very, very happy to say that I'm back today and very excited to share with you what we have. Now, I had a viewer, one of the amazing viewers of this channel, reach out the other day and say, "Hey Joe, have you seen the flat Byzantine chain that Luke Zion has?" I said, "Man, we're going to have to get this for the channel." So what do I have around the neck? I have a flat Byzantine chain from nobody else but Luke Zion. I have to say, this guy knows how to keep his website stocked with very, very unique and beautiful products. Now, we'll get some up-close B-roll in terms of this chain. Check out that design. I love it. I think it's beautiful. It reminds me, tell me if I'm crazy or not, it reminds me of a Gucci symbol. So when I'm wearing this thing, I feel like I'm wearing a Gucci symbol around my neck. I love it. Of course, you're not paying as much as Gucci, which is fantastic. Check that out. Beautiful shine. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is at 6 millimeters. 6 millimeters is not a bad width. I feel like this is a great everyday width. Personally, normally I'll wear about a 5 to a 5.5 millimeter around my neck. You guys might be familiar with my everyday stack, which is a 5.5 millimeter flat curb along with a 5 millimeter concave curb. I wear those every single day. And Luke Zion actually sent me a dollar chain, which I have brought to the channel, showed you it. And I believe that's at 5 millimeters also. So I like to rock those 3 chains. In fact, for the last 3 days, I was rocking those 3 chains around the neck as an everyday stack. It is a little bit heavy. I've done some reviews in the past talking to you guys about my everyday stack. And so I've spoken to you about that stack before. But I figured I'd bring it up again, and I think that this would be a great opportunity to show you the difference between the 5 millimeter dollar chain and the 6 millimeter flat Byzantine. As I just mentioned, Luke Zion does an incredible job at keeping very, very unique items on their website. Things that you wouldn't normally find out there on any other, jewelry company's website. The dollar chain is one of them. That is this right here. And the flat Byzantine is here, the one that we're looking at today. I want to compare those. Check out the difference between the width, okay? We have a 5 millimeter dollar chain and a 6 millimeter Byzantine, flat Byzantine. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the normal Byzantines that are not flat. Unfortunately, I do not have any with me that I can share with you right now. But if you Google that, you'll be able to see it. There's many different types of chains out there. I'm sure there's more than just 2 or 3 types of Byzantine chains. But let me tell you, I love, love, love this flat Byzantine. Again, it reminds me of the Gucci symbol. So I know that might sound good or bad depending on who you are and what you love. But it reminds me of the Gucci symbol, and I think it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of Gucci belt buckle around my neck. So let's throw these on. We have the flat Byzantine at 22 inches and the 5 millimeter dollar chain at 20 inches. So we're going to take a look at that now, be able to see the difference in the way they look and in the width. So you're going to get a good idea of the difference between a 5 and a 6 millimeter chain, giving you probably one of the 2 coolest chains on his website, in my personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Have you shopped with Luke Zion before? And what do you think about this style? This was perfect. So we have the opportunity to see, we have right around the neck, here's the flat Byzantine, here's the dollar chain. You can see the difference not only in the widths of the chain, but in the lengths too. So this is a 20, this is a 22. So you can see you have that little gap right there. Not only do you have that little gap as far as length, but you have that small gap in between the millimeters. So let's take this 12 feet back. I'm 155 pounds today. We're going 12 feet away, and I'm 5'6" tall. Okay? 5'6" inches tall. That's what I am, so you're looking at me. Remember, when you're looking for you, you want to make sure that you do your very best to try to imagine what it would look like on you based upon my set of attributes. Now let's throw this around the neck, inside the shirt. Check that out. You can really see a good difference in that width and a good difference in that style right there. Check that out. Now I love the dollar chain. I know many people love the dollar chain. Luke Zion is the only company that I know of that has it, that carries it. But this flat Byzantine truly is beautiful. These are silver chains, guys, silver chains. You may notice that the dollar chain is not as shiny and reflective, and that's because I scratched this thing up and I have not polished it. I scratch it up because I wear it like as an everyday chain most of the time, along with my two gold chains that I just mentioned to you, the flat curb and the concave curb. So it gets all scratched up and then it loses some of that beautiful shine. But all you gotta do is just take a polishing cloth, like I've showed you guys in some past videos. Just take a polishing cloth and go ahead and just shine that thing up. It takes about, I don't know, 2 minutes, not even, and you will have a perfectly brand new looking chain. Absolutely gorgeous. Hope you guys appreciated this review. Check out Luke Zion if you haven't checked him out yet. Fantastic human being. In case you want to know who you're buying from, check out on the channel. We have a great interview with Luke Zion. I loved doing that interview. Check him out as a human being. Check out his website. This guy's doing his very best to offer you guys the best he can. Probably every single dollar that he gets from this company goes back into reinvesting in the company to bring you guys better products. Gotta respect that, guys. Be safe, talk soon. I'll catch you all at the next video.